the flag. And it's empty. And the beaver gets crossed. It's the Mastercraft unboxing knife, and it's an unboxing video, unbagging video. It says it's an adapter from Changi Air Freight Center, P.O. Box, Singapore. I love having short-term memory loss. I don't know what I'm going to get in the mail. Ooh. Motorcycle audio. This is for the boat. Look at that. Speakers. Another speaker. Looks like it's all fairly plug and play. I'll have to go get my battery pack and find out. Let us go find out. Where's my battery? So on one side of it, you've got a USB plug-in, covered in a silicone cover, waterproof cover, water-resistant cover. And then on the other side, it's got a micro SD card in there, and it also says mic. But it's Bluetooth capable, it's supposed to be. So, let's find out now that I've got my battery pack down here. And, using simple plug-and-play methodology. That's all fairly simple. So on the back here, it's designed for a set of motorcycle handlebars. You can see it now. I'm not backlighting it. That clamps around the handlebars, and it comes with a long bolt and nut for that, so you can clamp it to your handlebars. But yeah, I said I got it for my boat. I guess if you get it for a boat, you know, to fill this all full of silicone and make it relatively watertight or water resistant. So here I've got my battery pack that I'm plugging into it. I've got a USB card, a USB stick. Slam it in there. Turn it on.
Play by USB drive.
Ooh. So, for, I think it was 20 something bucks, I think that's a pretty good deal for cruising around on the boat with the tunes. These things are super small, light. It's going to be relatively water resistant, but not entirely water resistant. I wouldn't trust it too far. But I think if you got it under a overhang or something like that, I'll post a link to my eBay purchase. Of the site that I purchased it from, and yeah, I mean, I may even start using one of these in my vehicle because the wiring is so damn simple.